I brought 3 because I made 3 different ones, so you could pick what you want.
What are the options?
Alright, we got regular. This one should have cinnamon in it. We got white chocolate and butterscotch.
Ooh. Can I eat all 3?
Yeah. It's your birthday, you can do whatever you want.
He sneezed everywhere.
Iggy, gross. That's not how you say happy birthday.
And he's so annoyed with life. Iggy.
Come say happy birthday to your mom. That's rude.
He's like, I sneezed on her. Same thing.
I blessed her. This poor lady has to work on her birthday.
It's a super short shift.
Short shift, and we have killer plans today. I'm really excited.
I know, me too.
Alright, let's go get your shift over with.
It'll be so fast. It's only a 4-hour shift. Yeah. And it's weekend, so it's gonna fly.
I really thought I could leave these out while I drop Meg off at work and not have Iggy eat any of it. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what he did. What do you have to say for yourself? Hello? Iggy. Why? Why? Decorating, and I've got this dude helping me because he wants the string. You're a good helper, Ted. Look at this birthday, babe.
I'm so excited.
Where are we going?
Chef Meg.
First night that they're doing dinner in over a year.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I forgot to dig in our closet to get a birthday button. So I'm gonna rush ahead to the front desk and hope they have it. If not, I'm just gonna make her wear it like all week. There it is!
This took all of 5 seconds, and we're still waiting for Kate.
More pizza?
Look at the beautiful view that we have.
That's gorgeous.
Also this way, lots of space for the characters to dance and have fun. Nikki is here. She's taking such cute pictures. I want to take a picture on our phone too. Minnie Mouse has arrived. So it's a little different because they're bringing everything to your table, but this bread smells amazing. This is a plant-based salad. It looks like there's sweet potato. And then this one has shrimp. Hopefully Mom will eat the shrimp.
I'm not eating shrimp.
Here comes the goof. He looks like he's in the same outfit that when we met him in California.
Oh, yeah.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah.
I love this music.
No, it keeps me grooving. It'll work out while I'm eating so I can eat more.
A little birdie wanted to come and try out dinner for the first night too. He must have snuck in with the monorail.
Is that the bird from Mickey's Runaway Railway?
Maybe.
They've come closer and now there's two. Not sharing.
Under my chair.
These birds are much more kind than the crows that are always around us at Disney though.
Honestly.
What's up, little buddy?
Outdoor eating indoors.
Donald's coming. Focus on him. It's not working.
Always.
Just keep quite right.
Brought us everything. Potatoes au gratin, gnocchi, prime rib, turkey, veggies, a farro rice?
Yeah, farro. It looks like farro fried rice, kind of. You know, there's like egg and veggies in it.
Yeah.
Are you an asparagus fan?
I prefer carrots.
And Mom took the salmon.
I did take this.
Because we don't want it.
Salmon. Definitely want some of this. Katie, this is cooked like.
It's time to celebrate.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that.
Mickey and the gang have a favorite song about one of their favorite things to eat. So go on.
You want to try some? I will try some. What are you?
We've already asked for more food.
We got more gnocchi and veggies. I might ask for more prime rib. We'll see. This farro is delicious.
My water is so cold I can't stand
You caught me, dude.
Love you too.
Meg, you got a dessert on top of dessert.
I know, extra desserts.
Hi, Pluto. How are you? Alright, this smells freaking awesome. Awesome.
Oh, look, it says contemporary. And Chef Mickey's on the apple. Look at how yummy these look. And I also got a little extra treat for my birthday. Is that good?
Oh, look at the inside. Mousse on an Oreo.
Yum.
Minnie made those herself.
The most.
Yeah. Also, apple tart. And this is like a strawberry cream cheese something. And
Raspberry.
Like, raspberry, thank you. And who doesn't love chocolate chip? We get the Hot Biscuit Dance again. Yes.
It's time to make some
I hope Pluto brings it down again.
Oh, Mickey's coming here
comes.
first.
After spectacularly spilling my drink, but I cleaned it up. Look what they gave us. The whole crew and them all on the monorail. I didn't even know about the area back there.
birthday. Happy day. Thank you so much.
Thank
again.
you.
Very excellent.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
So, Chef Mickey's was chef's kiss. So good. I really, really loved the gnocchi. That was probably my favorite thing that they brought out, as well as the plant-based farro. It tasted kind of like a fried rice, except it was plant-based, which was really cool. So I think that there's just egg in it, like the company Just Egg, not like egg. It was fake egg. It was very good. And now we are
Dessert.
oh shoot, the desserts. Oh my gosh. So there was this strawberry cake that was, oh my god, it was so good.
It's like eating
That
a
was-
cloud.
That was my favorite thing on the dessert tray. I mean, all of the desserts were really, really good. There was chocolate chip cookies, which actually we didn't eat. My mom just like brought those home. She wanted them for later. So there was chocolate chip cookies. There were Mickey mousse domes. It's like a dome of chocolate mousse on top of an Oreo, and then little like chocolate Mickey ears on it. Super cute, very delicious, very rich. Next was the strawberry cake. Favorite thing on the dessert tray. So good. It was like strawberry cake with a cream cheese icing.
So good.
Very good.
Apple pie.
And then a little apple crumble pie with a little cute Chef Mickey's white chocolate piece on it that I loved. So yeah, but now we are on our way to Universal to actually pick up Rajean and Kelly. They are staying with us for the week, and I am so excited to hang out with them. I was hoping that we would make it to Universal in time for us to run in and get a butterbeer, but I think we're not gonna make it. So that's okay. I just wanna go hang out, check out the new gift shop again, see if there's anything new there. Maybe I wanna buy something for myself for my birthday. You never know. So we're gonna go check out the gift shop while we wait for the park to close for them, because they're staying till close, and then we have bright and early fun adventures tomorrow that I'm super excited about. But we'll see you again whenever RJ and Kelly are with us.
We made it to Universal.
We did.
There's a new mug. I appreciate that the handle matches like the whole triangle thing. What?
I said this mug screams Tiffany. I'm gonna text it to her right now.
Uh-oh, T-Ray, look out. Okay, but Meg, excuse me, can you show me what we found?
The Quidditch cup,
Super cute.
but most importantly,
The
you
snowman.
can buy the snowman from Hogsmeade.
He's so cute.
He's only $22.
That's not bad.
I might need him for our Christmas decor.
Yeah. For sure. Oh, I think Meg has selected one. I think he might come home.
I think he's coming home with us.
What should we name him?
Herbert.
What?
Herbert.
Herbert? Alright. Herbert Snowman.
Herbert.
Herb Ertlinger?
Herb Ertlinger. Herb Ertlinger.
Correct us if we're wrong, but is this new? It's like the front of Forbidden Journey, all beautiful and lit up.
It's also only $16.95.
Oh wow. I see Rajean! There she is! Here she comes!